What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. And as you can read from the title, we're finna go around FAU and ask, well, I'm gonna get people's opinions. You know what I'm saying? If you were Chris Rock, would you stood there and get rocked?
Oh, wow.
If you was Will Smith, would you have did the same thing for your wife? You know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, make sure you comment, subscribe, smash the like button, roll to 1K. Yeah. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Christian.
What's up, Christian? How you day going so far, bro?
I'm chilling.
Alright, bet. So look, today's question, I'm just trying to go around and get people's opinions on the Oscars. You seen the Oscars?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you was Chris Rock, would you have stood there and got rocked?
Fuck no.
What you did?
I mean, if I seen him coming
Right.
with that energy, I would have moved back. I wouldn't have hit him or nothing like that.
Yeah,
but,
you're
you know,
just ducking, bobbing, weaving.
you know what I'm saying? Get out the way.
At least. All right. So now let me flip it a little bit. If you was Will Smith, you would have did the same thing for Jada?
Nah. I feel like it would have been more manly if he did that shit behind closed
Doors, but he did it
in
public.
very
right.
feminine, like very.
That entanglement got to him.
Yeah.
All right, man. That's all I wanted to know. Appreciate you, bro. No, thank you. All right, and share, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Steven. How your day going?
Side, man.
That's good. You trying to get to class? You like you in a rush?
Yeah, low key. Trying to get some shit done.
All right, bet. So look, question of the day. You seen the Oscars, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I just want to ask, if you was Chris Rock, would you stand there and got rocked?
I would have slapped the shit out of him.
So you'd have slapped him back, right?
I would have beat the fuck out of Will, bro.
Got a will.
Got violated.
Violated, my nigga, on public TV.
television.
Exactly.
Crazy.
All right, so look, let me flip the script real quick. Now, if Jada was your wife and you was Will, you would have did the same thing? Nah. You'd have handled a different situation.
Not tripping over shorty.
Nah, you're not tripping over her because she ain't really entanglement.
She for Pac.
She for the streets.
She for Tupac.
Entanglement. That's that entanglement. Like that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
OJ.
OJ. All right, Brian. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So you go to school here?
No, I'm actually a minister.
Oh, okay. You a minister. All right. So the question of the day: you saw the Oscars or you saw the Will Smith slapping Chris Rock?
Yeah, so yeah.
So if you was Chris Rock, you'd have stood there and got rocked?
That's a good question.
I just want to know.
That's a good question.
Like, let me know.
Nah, I would have dipped it.
You would have dipped it,
Yeah.
bob and weave?
Yeah,
What you would've
I would have dipped it and went under it, you know?
Yeah,
Chris Rock, yeah.
okay. So you'd have probably swung back too, right?
I would have refrained myself to swing back.
All right, you'd have handled it like a man.
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that. Okay, all right. Now let me switch the tables real quick. So if Jada was your wife, you would have did what Will did?
No.
No? Why not?
Like, I am married. I have a wife.
Okay, so if it was your wife in the situation, you wouldn't.
I would have talked to him after.
Oh, okay, you would have handled it after.
Not like in public like that, because, you know, if he felt hurt, I really don't feel like it was really about his wife. I really feel like he had a lot of pain and emotion that was going on in his heart before,
Right.
and he let it all
Entanglement.
Yeah, he let it out on Chris. So I really don't feel it's about, like, because he was laughing at the joke, if you notice it.
Exactly. That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
You was laughing before all of that.
Yeah.
All right, man. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
That's all I want. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Vardo.
You got a YouTube. Shout out to YouTube, my boy.
All right, it's that boy avocado. You know, like avocados.
You eat avocados?
No.
So why they call you avocado?
It's just for, like, some people can't pronounce my name, so they always just say avocado.
So you just like ran with it?
Yeah, I just ran with it. I was like, you know, avocado with the guap. You know what you call it when you turn guacamole into, like.
Right. Okay. You got something going there, my boy. You got something going there. All right, bet. So look. Question of the day. You seen the Oscars?
Yeah, I seen the Oscars. Of course.
All right. So I just want to know, if you was Chris, would you stood there and got rocked?
If I was Chris, best believe I would have been cracking jokes like the entire time, bro. I'd be like, damn, I'm feeling that shit until August, bro. I would be like, shit, like I would say, Like I would be like,
Hey,
damn. I would be like,
that was actually funny.
I would be saying shit. I would be saying shit, bro. I would be like, damn, bro. I guess the only other person who could keep their name in their mouth was Jada. I'd be like, damn, August, you still in her mouth, right? I would just keep throwing shade. Because the way Chris did, like, I have respect for Chris though, because best believe I got slapped like that on TV. I'm gonna show them all the shit that they say about black people. I'm just going straight up. I'm just gonna still go at will, bro. I'm telling you, if it was the other Rock though, he wouldn't have done shit.
Yeah, he wouldn't have did shit. All right. So look,
different state right now. Like me as a college student, if Will Smith slaps the shit on me, best.
Oh no, that's different. That's different.
I'm going to court.
Damn right. We suing Will right
I'm
now.
going to court. I'm suing for everything. I'm like, that's character destruction. Everyone thinks I'm a bitch now.
Yeah, we definitely suing Will if he would have slapped us right now. But yeah, man, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your opinion. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's about White Pree.
Make sure y'all watch his videos.
And we out. Right. Make sure y'all subscribe to Avocado too.
Take care.
All right, bet. Appreciate you, my boy. It's your boy White Pree. Now back with
Anju.
How you doing today?
I'm doing great.
All right. So I know we at BC. You probably got class to go to. So I'm not gonna take too much of your time. So, question of the day. You seen the Oscars?
Yep.
All right. So, if you was Jada, right, would you approve of what Will Smith did?
I'd keep my mouth shut, honestly.
I'm not gonna lie. I seen her post on Instagram and saying that she didn't approve of it. He went too far. What do you think about that?
She should have said nothing. she should have just be quiet. Yeah, exactly. Like,
I feel you.
Just keep her business off the internet. That's all.
But I mean, the entanglement though, like she put that all on the internet. How do you think Will feels about that?
Probably like embarrassed because I've been seeing like memes about everybody just bringing like Tupac like back up. Yeah.
The entanglement, right?
Yeah, people are saying like how the reason that she's like in an open relationship with like Will Smith is because Will can't satisfy her.
Ooh. Will, is that true? I don't know. All right, so look, the last question of the day. If you was Chris, would you stood there and got rocked?
I don't know, honestly.
You would have probably bob and weave or hit him back or make a joke.
I would want to hit him back if I was Chris, but I don't know if I would do that, you know what I mean?
You'd probably handle it after, right?
Exactly.
All right, I appreciate your time. That's all I wanted to know. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Denzel. If you don't know Denzel, go check out my Tinder date in real life. My dog is in there, and he's in some other videos too. How your day going, bro?
It's going all right.
What you been up to?
School. Just got out of class.
All right. So look, question of the day. You seen the Oscars?
Yeah.
All right. So if you was Chris, would you stand there and got rocked?
If I was Chris.
Yeah, if you was Chris.
I mean, he couldn't really do anything, man. Like,
So you'd have just stood there and got slapped?
I think I just would have made a slick remark.
So you'd have made a joke after, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna know what I would have said?
What you said?
Wait, what would Tupac have done?
Sheesh. Alright. So look, I'm gonna switch the tables. I'm gonna switch the seats.
Alright.
If Jada was your wife and you was Will, would you did the same thing? Would you have done the same thing?
No.
Why not?
I mean, she doesn't. We all seen the red table talk.
We all seen the entanglement.
Yeah.
So
Come on.
So you think he should have slapped August Alsina instead?
I mean, August Alsina, I believe he said that he wasn't trying to step on toes, and after all, they did have an open relationship.
True.
Yeah, so it's just like, it would have been best if he slapped August,
right.
But it's just like,
he took it out on Chris.
Took it out on the wrong person. He's a comedian.
Damn, bro. All right, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Harley.
Julian.
Harley and Julian. How y'all doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing all right.
I'm doing good. It's a little hot, so I'm trying to stay out the sun. But y'all got class right now?
No, we just got over our class.
Oh, okay. You just got out of class? Okay. So look, question of the day. You guys seen the Oscars?
Yes.
Yeah. Just that scene.
Just that scene, right? All right. So look, that's perfect. That's perfect. So I'm gonna start with you first. If you was Chris Rock, would you stood there and got rocked?
No, fuck no. I would have fucking smacked the shit out of him.
You'd have smacked him back.
Yeah.
All right. I like it. So let me switch it up a little bit. If you was Will Smith and Jada was your wife, you did the same thing?
Fuck no. That bitch is cheating. It's an open
Entanglement?
relationship. Huh?
Entanglement?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, Will, you going outside, my boy. All right, so look, if you was Jada, would you approve of what Will did?
Well, not really, because I do see her point because she was mad, but he thought it was funny at first. He only stopped laughing when he looked at her.
Right, I seen that too.
Shit, I'm gonna have to deal with her when we get home, and she's gonna be like, wow, you found that funny, like you don't really love me, but she doesn't give a fuck about him.
She don't.
Like, how many times did he get humiliated because of her? And I would have, if I were Chris, I would have smacked him back because, nah, that was fucked. And I just found out that it was all, like, a publicity thing.
See, when I first saw it, that's the first thing that came to my mind.
Mm-hmm.
Like, Will had to text Chris and be like, look, you're going to make, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, you make 2 jokes and I'm going to walk up there and smack you. Like, we just going to keep it like that, right? But after the fact it happened, I just seen Jada post on Instagram or wherever. I seen the post on Instagram. But she was basically saying she didn't approve of what he did. So, like, how do you feel about that?
About him smacking him?
Yeah. And then,
She didn't approve of it?
Yeah, Jada didn't approve of it.
Well, I think that's on her. But he did his choice. I think he did it for publicity because they, Feisner.
So it was staged.
Yeah, after the fact, Chris talked about it and he was like, yeah, it was for them. And I was like, damn, so you got smacked for what? You got smacked
For nothing.
Literally, he should
For
smack
nothing.
back. No offense.
Or make some type of joke, right?
Yeah, or smack him back. He smacked him, and that looked like a hard-ass fucking smack, so.
All right. I appreciate y'all time. That's all I wanted to know. Thank you. It's your boy, White Pree, and I'm back with
Marv.
Day-to-day Marv. All right, Marv, so what you been up to, bro?
Studying, working, trying to get shit done in life, bro. Business.
All right. Last time I saw you, you was with my match the girls to the car, and
I got some backlash for that shit too, bro.
Yeah.
So you think I eat McDonald's because I look like this?
Yeah,
I'm like,
facts. Hey, that McDonald's scene was funny. That's funny. But all right, so look, today we doing. You seen the Oscars, right?
Oh hell yeah.
So I'm just trying to
I just seen the one part, of course, that we probably gonna talk about.
Exactly. So I just want to know, if you was Chris, would you stood there and got rocked?
I'm trying to think of it because Chris, he's professional. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So like, at the same time, you gotta think about it. He don't want to, deplete his image. But you can't let a nigga slap you like that
In public TV.
That's what I'm saying. He was a little bit too. Nah, he wasn't too professional though.
National TV. Shit. A lot of people saw it. Just know that.
See, I think it would have been like a reaction, bro. Like, I don't think I would have like thought about it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
quick, reflex.
Yeah, type shit. So I think I would have like slapped him back, like punched him, grabbed him by the shirt, some shit. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah,
but then I would have realized I was on TV, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna talk to you later, like type shit. You feel me?
All right. That's basically what everybody been saying. They would have smacked him back, or like at least crack a joke. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because he looked stunned. He looked dumbfounded.
Yeah, he was like, oh, wow.
Yeah, I felt bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. So look, I'm gonna switch the seats real quick. If Jada was your wife, would you have done what Will did, or you'd have handled it differently, maybe after the show?
Definitely after the show, because like she already toxic. She already slept with another man. So
Entanglement.
Entanglement. And then in that entanglement scene, she said she just never felt love like that. She haven't felt love a long time like that. I can't protect you the way I want to no more. You're not mine. You're his. You know what I'm saying? So to me personally, bro, I don't know what they got. First off, I don't know what they have going on in their relationship. Everybody different. But for me personally, I would have left long time ago. You feel me?
Nah, since that entanglement, I would have, yeah.
Like right there, you like in my house. You gonna tell me that make me cry like I was hurt in national television? Nah,
right.
bro.
And then you put it all on social media. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying. I would have said cut this
crazy
scene out at least.
Crazy, right? All right. So last question: you feel like he should have slapped August Alsina?
Got to keep the same energy.
Got to keep the same.
You can't bully a Chris Rock and then have August Alsina go and do your wife,
smash your girl.
It don't make sense. He taking his anger out on the little man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
it's ugly.
I mean, look, everybody hates Chris, so
nah.
I guess it works out.
I still like Chris Rock.
Yeah, I fuck with Chris Rock.
Yeah.
All right, but that's all for today. I just want to get your opinion. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Marv, White Pree, and we out. Hey, it's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Jaden. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. It's a little hot out here, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's why. You know what I'm saying? But you got class right now?
No, I just came from class.
You got out of class? Okay, so you got a little time to spare. All right, so question of the day. You seen the Oscars?
Yes, I did.
All right, so you should know where I'm going with this. All right. So look, if you was Jada, would you approve of what Will did?
No, because I'm not really the type of person to like violence or nothing like that.
So you like to keep the peace?
Yeah.
So
now
you'd have probably told him to like handle it after.
Yeah, I was gonna say he could have did it after the curtains closed. But
all right. So what you think? How you think Will feel though? Like after Chris, made the little jokes, and then because at first he was laughing, and then he went up there and did that, and then she started laughing after the fact. So
I don't know. It was real sudden. Like my mom was like, she was so taken aback because it's not something that he would do.
Right?
So I mean, I assume he was real mad about it.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, entanglement. You wouldn't. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
I think Jada's wrong on that.
Definitely.
Cause what happened? Like,
she made it public. She basically slept with August Alsina and then made it public. I mean, I know they was in an open relationship, but you didn't have to put that out there. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then she gonna call it entanglement. And then she said some stuff like she never felt love like that before. Like, you been with Will how long now?
Years. Yeah, I think she was definitely wrong a little bit.
Definitely. And then so last thing, right? After the whole situation, like it's been a week now since that happened. I literally just seen a post probably yesterday that she was saying that she didn't approve of what he did. How do you feel about that? Like, you think she should have just kept it quiet, or how you feel? She shouldn't have said nothing. 'Cause, I mean, you got the man out here looking dumb. You know what I mean? Embarrassing himself from entanglement. He been getting everybody been, you know what I'm saying, Tupac, August Alsina. They've been making memes. Yeah, so and then now he done kind of stood up for you on national TV, and then you gonna come out and say you didn't approve of what he did?
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's real situational. I don't think she should have said anything.
Yeah, she should have kept her mouth shut.
Yeah, but there's definitely going to be people that are going to be like, oh, well, why didn't she say something or something like that? But, yeah, maybe she should have just let it be.
Let it be. All right, bet, yeah. Jada, you tripping. That's all I got to say. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree, and we out.